We're doing my crosswalk bunny experience again in Main Street and Douglas Avenue.
Wait.
Oh, that's not just started off already. Well, here the walk sign is on this one. So here the here the countdown.
7, 6, 5, 4. Traveling south. 2. Wait. 1.
Traveling south.
Wait. Traveling south.
So I'm gonna wait until it's time. We're gonna wait until that traffic light over here to turn red, like this thing, and so is the other one.
Wait.
Wait for this thing to turn green, yellow, and then wait for it.
Wait.
Okay.
Walk sign is on.
Walk sign is on.
Walk sign is on. 10. Wait. 9. Wait. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Alright, here we go.
Wait. Wait. Traveling. Wait. West. Wait. 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 Wait.
Oh.
Wait. Traveling west. Wait. Wait.
So wait for that until it's time.
Walk sign is on.
Walk sign is on.
Walk sign is on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so that is my crosswalk bunny experience again, and Douglas Avenue and also in Main Street.